I'm on my Bitcoin wallet. You can see I've got a little bit of Bitcoin here. I'm going to click on this button, which would normally allow you to send crypto to a different wallet or different exchange. But if I do so here, you can see it's got a bit of an unusual warning. Usually it would give you instructions on how to send crypto, but here it's blocking that action. Now, first of all, this subheading explanation: for your security, we disabled sending crypto for 24 hours after account recovery. This is actually not correct. This has been disabled for a long time. So you can disable sends. It will be disabled, like it says, for 24 hours after you do an account lock. You can lock your account if you feel you've been compromised, and it will have a 24-hour period before it gets enabled again. But you can also just ask for sends to be permanently turned off, or just turned off until you tell them otherwise. To do this, you have to contact the support team. So ring up the number for the support line, explain the situation, and ask them to turn off sends. This is great to do if you don't want to actually send anything out, if you want to just keep everything in Coinbase and trade it on Coinbase. It still allows you to cash out to your bank account. It just means you can't send the crypto to a different exchange and wallet. And obviously this is good because it means if an attacker somehow got a hold of your account, they would not be able to send anything to themselves or someone else's wallet. So I would recommend enabling this feature by talking to support if you know you don't have to send any crypto to other exchanges. If you're just keeping it in Coinbase, you may as well turn off this feature to stop anyone from draining your account.